List of parts: front panel, rear panel, keycard, lock head, casing, square column, lock body, screw. Specification: door buckle, key, mounting lock body, screw on, mounting lock, screw on. Installation of casing. Loosen the screws to adjust the direction of the door opening. After adjustment, screw on the screw. Turn the arrow in the same direction as the handle. Mounting spring. Install front panel. Mounting square column. Connect the power cable. Insert the excess thread into the door seam. Install rear panel. Screw on. Install battery. Install battery cover. Test lock function. Installation completed.